Hi. It's been 2 days since Blaze was attacked. Since then, I posted a video about dogs treeing kittens. I think that Blaze tried to get in between those dogs and the kittens, and she got bit in the face. I'm going to head to the store and get some stuff to try to help her drink. She hasn't had any water or food in this 2 days. And I need to get a little tube that can get it past the swelling in the palate of her mouth where the fang went through the top of her nose, through the top of her mouth. So, I'll be back in a little bit. Hopefully I'll be able to get some liquids in her. Maybe be able to get some antibiotics in her. She really needs to be at a veterinarian on an IV and, with a long-acting shot of antibiotics is what needs to be happening, but I just don't have any money. No money. Blaze is gone. I gotta go find her. Blaze! Blaze! The game's following me while I'm looking for Blaze. Blaze! Do you guys know where Blaze went? Blaze! Kitty, kitty, Blaze!